Sarah wakes up at 7 o'clock a.m. She gets out of bed and opens the window. Fresh air comes into the room. "It's a sunny day," she says. First, Sarah makes her bed. She pulls the blanket and fluffs the pillows. Her room looks clean now. Next, she goes to the kitchen. She washes the dishes from last night. The plates and cups are dirty, but Sarah scrubs them with soap. The dishes shine. Then, Sarah sweeps the floor in the kitchen. She sees crumbs under the table. She sweeps them into a dustpan and throws them in the trash. At 9 o'clock a.m., Sarah does the laundry. She puts her clothes in the washing machine. She adds soap and presses the start button. The machine makes a loud noise. While the clothes are washing, Sarah cleans the bathroom. She wipes the sink and scrubs the toilet. She also cleans the mirror. "Now everything is clean," she says. When the washing machine finishes, Sarah hangs her clothes outside to dry. The sun is warm, and the clothes will dry quickly. At 12 o'clock p.m., Sarah takes a break. She makes lunch in the kitchen. Today she cooks rice and vegetables. She also drinks orange juice. After lunch, Sarah rests on the sofa. She reads a magazine and listens to music. It's nice to relax after working hard, she thinks. In the evening, Sarah does more chores. She waters the plants in her living room. The green leaves look happy with water. Sarah also takes out the trash. She ties the bag and puts it outside for the garbage truck. At 7 o'clock p.m., Sarah cooks dinner. She makes pasta with tomato sauce. The smell is delicious. After eating, she washes the dishes again. At 9 o'clock p.m., Sarah folds her dry clothes. She puts them in her wardrobe. Her room looks neat and tidy. Sarah takes a shower and changes into her pajamas. She feels tired but happy. "My home is clean, and I finished all my work today," she says. At 10 o'clock p.m., Sarah goes to bed. She closes her eyes and smiles. "Good night," she whispers.